Here's how to find channels on Telegram. Now open up the Telegram app on your iPhone or Android, works the exact same. And the first thing we'll do is tap on chats. Now you might not automatically see it, but we need to search for those channels. If you don't see the search bar, all you need to do is swipe down to be able to find it. Now from here, I'm going to tap on the search bar and I can search for a channel that I want. Let's say in this case, I'm going to search for surfing. And you can see chats here, but instead of chats, I want to go over to channels and it will pop up with all of the channels that I can potentially join. On any of these different ones, you can see I can swipe through them. And let's say this is the one I wanted to join. You can see it's not even in English, but let's just join it anyway. You can tap at the very bottom on that blue join button. And after you've done that, you can see if I go all the way back out of here and in my chat section, there is that new channel that I just joined. I can tap on it, I can comment, I can leave basically messages, and then I can always get in here and I can choose to leave it if I don't want to be part of that channel down the road.